Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever feel like your emotions are running your life? Like you're just getting dragged down by stress, worry, or frustration, and all you want is to just feel better? That's one of the most common things that I hear from my clients. They'll say, I just want to feel better. Nothing too irrational, just better. And today, I want to show you how that's not only possible, but completely within your control. We're diving into one of my favorite concepts that I teach inside the reinvention process, how to create emotional balance by understanding what you're really feeling, why you're feeling it, and how to shift it if you want to. Because when you learn how to manage your emotions from the inside out, everything starts to change. Let's dive in. Let's start with this question. When you think about emotions, what comes to your mind? Probably happy or sad, right? But what about resentful, grateful, stuck, hopeful, numb, peaceful, burned out, or calm? You probably don't find many people walking around saying things like, I'm feeling discouraged and disconnected today. They just say, I'm fine. But beneath fine is a real emotion. And when you can put a name to it, you can start working with it. This is one of the first things that I help my clients do when they work with me in the reinvention process. We work on building emotional literacy because you can't manage something that you can't even name. And when you begin to understand that emotions are created by your thoughts, not by your circumstances, that's when everything will begin to shift. Have you ever wondered why you can still feel bad when your life looks so good on the outside? Let me give you an example. One of my CPA clients started to work with me right after her tax season. From the outside, everything looked like it was going great. Her revenues were up, she had a great team, and her kids were doing great as well. But she felt miserable. She told me she thought that she should be happy, but she just felt tired and stuck. She was going through all the motions, and she didn't know why she still felt so off. And that right there is emotional misalignment. So we walked through what she was thinking every day. It wasn't the workload that was causing her burnout. It was her thoughts about the work that she was doing. She had thoughts like, I can't keep this up forever, or no one really sees how hard I'm working, and this is just what tax season looks like for me. Each of those thoughts created stress, exhaustion, and dread. And when we changed those thoughts, one small shift at a time, she started feeling more grounded, connected, and even proud of herself. That's the power of the work that we do. And if you're listening to this and you're thinking, okay, but I can't just think my way out of burnout or overwhelm, you're right. You can't fake it, but you can create believable thoughts that generate new, sustainable feelings. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.